This is not just an Airstream. This is our home. This is our everything. Where we work, where we learn, where we play. A place to feel safe, a place to relax, a place to grow, a place when you leave you can't wait to get back, a place where time slows down and you can listen to the sounds of life. The life outside and inside, where you can create memories. This is our home. We added a creative space for the kids in the Airstream. Home Depot sells a sheet of dry erase on one side and chalkboard on the other. This is a before look at the interior wall and shelf where we kept our fruits, veggies, kitchen utensils, and our Berkey. We also kept a picture of Devlin, who is no longer with us. We took down the wall and made a space for our new Cubic Mini Grizzly wood stove. Our master welder friend Tom made us a steel heat shield to protect the walls behind it. We have a separate video of the wood stove install that I'll link into the bio description. It has been one of the greatest gifts, and it has definitely paid for itself in keeping us warm. The dry heat has alone been amazing for keeping our walls from sweating inside. We also found a special place to keep our Devlin, decorated with the beautiful handmade gifts from our friend Elsa. In the last tour video, I showed our finished table and unpainted benches. We ended up first trying a forest green color, which made it look like a pool hall. Ross decided to sand down the tables and repainted with a grayish blue color that fits perfect now. That little love seat bench in the front never got any love, and we needed more storage. Ross removed one of the benches and pushed the table and bench closer to the bed, which left the perfect amount of space to create a 2-shelf storage area. On the bottom, we found a good little holder for our hammocks and our miscellaneous outside stuff. On the top, we found 2 cube fabric boxes that fit perfect, so we could use it for extra storage for shoes and for our dirt bike gear. On the top of the shelf is where we shifted the Berkey water filter, our kitchen utensils, and we got some hanging fruit and veggie bags. This past Christmas, we gifted everyone with their own fishing pole. It's been a dry summer, but we're hopeful this winter and spring that we'll get back out on the water. With each year, our life changes and our needs change. Who knows what the 4th year of traveling will bring for us? Thanks for taking an updated peek